Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get or use AutoClicker on Android. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your phone like so. Then you want to go and click on Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, you want to search for AutoClicker, and here in my case, I will use this application for example. You just have to install it, then click on Open, and now it's opening with me. Once you open it, give it the permission, click on OK, give it the accessibility. And once you click on OK, here it will redirect you to the accessibility menu where you can actually click on installed apps. Once you click on installed apps, here you have all the installed apps that you can give it the accessibility. Simply click on auto clicker. And now here you have these two options. Simply toggle the first option on and toggle the second option on. Once you toggle the second option on, here you have this pop-out message. Simply click on allow. Then choose one of these options, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold up and down buttons for 3 seconds, or tap accessibility button. I'm going to choose the first option, then click on OK, and you should toggle the first option on the top right on. Once you toggle them on, now you will have to go back to the application, and here you have two options, the single target mode and the multi-targets mode. Simply, the single target mode will use only one click on one target. The multi-targets mode, you can use more than one, you can use two, you can use three, four, and so on. Now, if you want to set up the settings of one of them, I'm gonna choose the first option, which is the single target mode. I'm gonna go and click on settings. Then you can see how you can actually set up your settings. Here you have the click interval, which is the time between each click. So here you can choose between milliseconds, seconds, or even minutes, hours, and so on. And you can type here the number and the time that you actually needed between each click. Down below here, you have the stop after. You can simply choose run indefinitely or amount of time, which is how much time do you want it to stop after the click. And here you have the number of cycles. And finally, you have the anti-detection mode. You can check it or not, but here my case, I will not check it. And now after you set up your settings, go back, then click on enable. Once you click on enable here, you can see these two things, this rectangular icon and this circular icon. Now the circular icon is where you can actually click and when will the application click, okay? So you will have to set that to the button that you will actually like to click using the auto clicker. And here you have the settings menu and the move icon. You can move this rectangle from anywhere to the top, to the bottom, and so on. And you have here the play icon. Now let me open my camera. And now I'm gonna move this circle icon to the shutter button, just like so. Then I'm gonna hit the play and it will start repeatedly click the shutter button and take multiple photos. And if you want it to stop, simply hit the square button right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.